today is another day. Today we're gonna play slime, like making slime. So let's get to it. I played this like for a little time, but I know how to play it. Me and my sister. Maybe in the future videos we're gonna let my sister to play with me. Roblox or Among Us. So now we're gonna make a slime, but first there's ad. Okay, now this is all my slimes. So we're gonna make a new slime. Okay, let us see. Okay, this is all slime I have. So we're gonna get now milk. Wait, not milky. Let's get milk. I think it's the best now. So pour in some water, add some lotion. Maybe in the past we're gonna even like one of these games we're gonna play it in real life, me and my sister. But no, not in real life. Like we'll play it again. So if you wanted part 2 of it, at least give me 10 likes. 10 likes. So I'm sorry because the last video, like the first video I had, it doesn't have an intro. So sorry, I forgot. But let's. Okay, so I'm gonna make this slime. I'm gonna call it Blue Moon. Blue Moon because it has moons, and I'm gonna make it a glitter in it. Wow, it needs to be blue dark. Yeah, yeah, like this. It's glowing and also very good. So this is like the level 1 slime. Let us choose a name. Blue Moon. Yep, and okay, let's play. Yeah, see. Okay, that's the sign. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that's good. Okay. So like this, we like made a slime. Now let's see. Can we make like a slime quest? Okay. Let us see. We're gonna make the slime quest. We need to make the same slime. As you can see here, it's the color green. We need to shape it the same, and it's flowers. We need to shape it the same. Then in the last, when we finish, they're gonna say it's like this or not. Yep. And if you want, you get 500. So let's get to it. Okay, level 5. Clear Sykes. It says Clear Sykes, and it looks like I think it's classic. And the color is blue light, obviously sky blue. Is that the same? Yes. Okay, if you want me to play soccer in it or play like soccer, if you want me, I'm gonna play soccer tomorrow. And oh, that's golden. So I'm gonna play soccer, and after soccer I'm gonna make 2 videos in a day, every day. Okay, so it's pastel yellow, easy peasy. And yes, the golden was right. It's actually gold high stack. And if you want me to play this game, tell me in the comments. Okay, now it's pastel blue, so easy. And then once okay, it's glitter. It's glitter. Yeah, it's bling, and also we're gonna see TikTok, so we're gonna rate every video out of 10. Okay. And if you want to make like any game you want, like Minecraft or one of these, tell me and I'm gonna play it for you. Okay, now it's obviously classic. Okay, so and then it's forest green. I like the forest, and I'm scared from it. I don't know why. Okay, so at least let that video to get 10 likes or more. I'm gonna be impressed because this is the second video ever in my channel. So can you make me a reward and subscribe and like during this video or the last video? So let's see. Okay, this is logo. So if you want me to play any game you want, any game, tell me, but it needs to be in iPad and mobile because I only have an iPad to play with. So let us see. Okay, that's obviously Puddy or Puddy, I don't know, but it's I think it's this. And then it's glitter, black and white glitter and gray. Okay, did I bring right or no? Obviously, right? Obviously. Wait. Now it's 3 here, see? So, let's see. What the... Okay, it's obviously we... wait. I was right, yeah. Then from B... Okay. If you want me to make me and my sister to play this challenge slime that we're gonna make the quest, and we're gonna see how much in the end money we have, or the best one to make slime, and you will rate it out of 10 down in the comments. So not today and not tomorrow, after tomorrow if you like. And this is the last one because I need to go. Okay, now the color is obviously silver. So this is the last one. Then I'm gonna show you something. Then it's obviously this, and yep, we're finished. Let us see I'm right or wrong. And what? How? Okay, try again. Oh, how is wrong? So it's cloud. Oh, I see. Okay. I see you like there. I see you. Don't hide. Okay. At least 10 of 13. Yes! Okay, that's the last. Okay, guys, we reached the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also make the notifications of the bell. So, if you don't have a game to play, see this game here. Any game you want here. Any game you like. Okay, we have all this game. You can take a pretty good luck. Okay, and bye. See you tomorrow.